All right, today we're talking about the Ford ignition, like on a Ford van. The ignition's been replaced. It doesn't have a sidebar, it's just a wafer lock. These are our measurements for our different keys. Keys 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to the vise, we've got one mounted. We're going to read the lock. Got more light. There's the 5 keys. We'll start with the number 1. So we zoom in. We got to hit on 3, got to hit on 5, got to hit on 7. So on the odd side, 3, 5, and 7. So we got to hit on 3, 5, 7. Next up is the other side, going in. Got to hit on 2, got to hit on 4, hit on 6, hit on 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Going to the number 2 key. On the odd side, got to hit on 3, got to hit on 5. That was it, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Turning it over, going in. Got to hit on 2, 4, 6, and 8. So we got 2, 4, 6, and 8. Going to the number 3 key. All right. Hit on 3, hit on 5. So 3 and 5. There's the 3, there's the 5. Turn it over. Go back in. Hit on 2. Hit on 4. Hit on 6. 2, 4, and 6. There's 2. There's 4. There's 6. Go into the number 4 key. Got to hit on 2. Got to hit on 4. So 2 and 4. There's 2. There's 4. Turn it over. Going in on the even side, or the odd side, excuse me. We got 3. We got 5. 3. 5. 3 and 5. There's 3. There's the 5. Go into the 5 key. Got to hit on 2. Got to hit on 3. So 2 and 3. So our combination should be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So that's 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2. So we cut this key. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2. Odds on one side, evens on the other. Take the key out of the lock. Stick the key in. There you go.